Hey, what are you doing?
I'm trying to figure out these drawings.
Are those tech drawings?
No, they went low bid.
Bummer. Everybody knows you don't go low bid. You go best value.
So I keep telling them, but they don't listen.
Check these out. Here's your notification devices.
Oh, look, it gives you your amp number, circuit number, and appliance number, as well as your power supply number. This will make it very easy to label the notification device.
Here's your device legend.
Oh yeah, it gives you all your counts, as well as on how to mount each appliance and device.
This page is your device connection page with all of your devices on it.
Oh yeah, it even incorporates the heavy-duty relay. I was wondering how to wire that up with an intelligent relay.
This page is our wireizer from all of our panel circuits to your devices.
Oh yeah, it shows you every floor and every circuit, as well as our end of lines and their values.
So this page has all of your battery calcs for everything.
Oh yes, I see that. It has the size of the batteries, the voltage drop, as well as how much room we have on each circuit to add if need be. Wow, these tech drawings are fantastic.
Many months later.
Let's get this show on the road.
Ah!